You know, as entrepreneurs, we want people that we bring onto our team to hit the ground running. We want them to basically be able to sprint a marathon with us when we're probably not even able to sprint the marathon. If you think about team sports, the biggest reason why teams gel together is practice. And what happens in practice? Well, players always want to play the game in practice, and the right coach helps them prepare. If you listen to anything about Nick Saban, he believes in the preparation, and he says, we will prepare until we are unable to fail because our preparation is so strong. And so, are you preparing your team for success, or are you just hoping they're going to be successful? It's your job to make sure that the preparation is there so that they don't know what failure is. And if your teammates are seeing failure all the time, it's because your preparation isn't where it needs to be.